How to change iPhone font style. First is by opening your settings and then go to display and brightness right here. Scroll down and look for text size, and you may adjust the font or the text size right here. So by dragging on this circle button right here to the left, you will have smaller text size, and to the right, you have bigger text size. Let's say, for example, that the biggest size right here is still not good for you or not fit with your preference, then you may go to accessibility and then go to display and text size, go to larger, and you may click on larger accessibility sizes right here, and then you may again swipe right, and you will have larger text right there. You may turn it off and then choose the font size that you want. So that's it. That's how you can change font size on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.